guys, planting potatoes today. I'm using the seeds from my last harvest and they've kept very well, apart from these tiny ones. But overall, I'm so happy. I'm planting my potatoes this year in grow bags. And the reason being is because last time I planted them in my raised bed, they did amazing, but they're sprouting right now, and I have garlic in that particular bed, and they're sprouting between the garlic, and I don't want that to keep happening in all my raised beds. I don't want to use all my raised bed for potatoes because I don't want them to sprout over and over again. Once they start that, they just start. So to avoid that, I decided to grow them in grow bags, containers, and boxes. The first thing you have to do when you're planting potatoes is to choose what kind of potato you want to plant. So you buy the seed or you use the seed from the supermarket. Me, I've grown potatoes from the supermarket before and they did amazing. I have a video on my channel, go and check it out. I had a very good harvest. I did an experiment and I wasn't disappointed at all. And I still have some of those potatoes from the store, the ones I planted and harvested. I kept them as seeds, which I will be planting later on, not now, maybe end of December, because I want to harvest these potatoes at different times. And so, apart from that, pick the kind of potato you want to plant, and also maybe it should be your favorite, and also where you want to plant them. Like I said, I planted them in a raised bed, and for me it was a non it's a no-no. You have to have maybe a permanent place where you can just plant potatoes, so to avoid them sprouting everywhere, pick this place where you want to plant them, or maybe you want to plant them in boxes like I'm doing, and also in pots like I'm doing, or raised beds, or grow bags. You decide. Other than that, then fertilize them and water them. That is all I do with potatoes. They actually look after themselves most time. My only job is to just keep an eye on them, that they don't have any diseases and they don't have any pets on them, that no pets attacking them. In this particular clip, I'm showing you how I prepare my box by taking in the outside and also adding hay and dry leaves to on the bottom. The reason why I do this is to keep the moist and also to save soil. I save a lot of potting mix and compost when I do this, guys. It works really good for me, and I'll keep using this method, and I'll see how it will go with the potatoes. So after I do this, I'll put the potatoes and make sure the sprouting is pointing up, not down, guys. Like as you can see, all the sprouting is up, not facing down, because you don't want that to be. It is very important. Anyway, guys, so like I said, I don't do much with my potatoes. I found them very easy to grow, and people always ask if they can grow potatoes from the supermarket. Like I said, yes, you can. Try them out. Let your potatoes sprout. Even when you get this proper seed from maybe a garden store, make sure you buy them a month earlier so that they can have a chance to sprout. Then you plant them. They grow better and quicker when you plant them, or when they all sprout. When they all have sprouts on them, they grow quicker. And the other thing is just to water them like I'm doing after planting them right now. I'll just give them a very good drink. And right now, my job is just to wait until they sprout. And every now and then, I go to check them. If they are dry, then I'll give them a quick drink again, and that's it. But this year will be different for me because I'm planting them in pots, so that will require me a lot of watering, because grow bags and pots and boxes, they seem to dry up much quicker than when you plant them in raised bed or in the ground. But that won't be a problem for me, guys. So give it a go to grow your own potatoes. Keep an eye on pests and diseases, and the rest I'll keep you updated on how I do it and how I take care of them, guys, and what I will be the fertilizer I'll be using, which will be only the potato fertilizer. To be honest, I'm not using the fertilizer and high nitrogen. I don't want to do that. And these were my leftover ones. They had those tiny ones. I decided to put them in boxes and they are very close to each other. So I hope I get a good harvest from them. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. I'll keep you updated.